My name is Alex. Have you ever had a problem with your bike and you don't want to take it to the bike shop? Well, I've also thought of that problem, and I um I thought maybe there's a way I could fix it myself, but I couldn't figure out what parts to buy and maybe and not how to not actually install the parts as well. So I came up with this idea where you can download an app for free, and here's how it works. You first answer what bike model you have, then you can look up what problem you're having with it, and then it will just tell you what, like the instructions. But if it's like a broad question, it will start answering, like asking questions. Does your bike look like this? And do you have also problems with this? And it will tell you what the instructions are for and what parts you need to fix it.
Awesome,
That's
Alex. Thank you very much. I'm going to turn it over to our panelists. If you'll turn your camera on, please. Ms. Julie.
Alex, where is your app when I need it? Like yesterday. I am one of those, how do you say this, fair weathered bike riders that only needs to know this information like once every 5 years, how to change a bike tire. So that would be really helpful. So I'm curious, maybe I didn't hear it. What is the name of your company and service?
I do not have a name yet, but I am gonna think of it soon.
Okay, that's okay, because you'll probably get some more ideas as you develop this. And are you going to charge people to use your services, your app or your website?
It's gonna be completely free.
And how will you get funding then?
We're gonna have like advertisements on the app as well as partnerships with bike companies and maybe some other partnerships with like schools and yeah.
That's a great idea. I like it. Good job.
Alex, I agree with Julie. What a great idea. Curious, what is your biking background? Tell us a little bit about that.
My biking background is vast, I've started when I was young and I always loved riding my bike, and whenever I ride, I just feel a sense of joy, right? So I've been riding since I was like 5 and I'm 15 now, so it's been like 10 years and I really enjoy it.
That's excellent. You said that you're going to think about your business name. I think it's great that you have a concept, you have a purpose, you're passionate about it, and you're providing a service. Mm-hmm. Also, you said something that was catchy, sense of joy. To me, that's a brand. You may want to consider a tagline, a brand, using that. It came right out your mouth naturally. You've got a great story, and include your story. I've had joy since 5 years old to 15, 10 years. Riding my bike gave me a sense of joy. I couldn't figure out how to fix it, so I got to make this app for all of us. And everything you can do to add to the benefits of why people should ride bikes would be helpful to your business. I think that you're definitely on the right track, and I will be looking forward to the app. Have you thought about how you leverage social media and the internet access worldwide to promote your app?
I was thinking of partnering maybe with like some certain like content creators, like Instagram people that also do like bike content, and maybe figure out a way so they can like show the app and advertise it.
I think that's brilliant. Congratulations on a successful pitch today and for coming forth with your confidence. It's so great to see young inventors coming forth with their ideas, especially in times like these. So please keep going forward. Great job.
Hey, Alex, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Well, this is great. I love it. I had a bike sitting in my shed for I don't know how many years. It's probably embarrassing. And I'm always like, I'm going to fix it. I'm a DIYer. So I'm always trying to like find the YouTube video that's going to help me solve all my problems, right? So I think that's great that you have, you know, you're going to have prompts of like, what is, because I don't even know what bike they have. So it's like, does it look like this? Does it look like that? I like that you have those. I'm curious to know where you are in the process. Have you created a wireframe, like a sketch of what you want your app to look like? What are all the features? Where are you in that process?
Right now, currently, I created a wireframe thing yet. I have, and I was thinking maybe I could develop it myself, right? Because I know how to code, right? So that's how far I am right now.
Okay, so do you have a paper wireframe first, and then you're trying to see if you're gonna develop it yourself? Yeah. Okay, awesome. That's great. Well, thank you for sharing your story. I think Alicia gave some great tips for you to add into your story, and you're sharing your pitch. So good luck.
Thank you.
Alex, so the year of 2020 was called the bike boom, and bike sales increased depending on the category by 100%. So it's depending on the category, the type of bike, it's somewhere around $150 million industry. So I think you've got a target market. There are people out there that are probably those first-time buyers that maybe like Julie, that don't know how to change a tire or don't even know what kind of bike they have maybe, and they need this source of information. So let us know how the development goes. We'd love to be on that early beta testing, or coming in if you'd like to join our Spark program. We'd love to have you and see how we can help you.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Alex. Thanks for joining us.